That said, as chairman of the committee, let me set the guidelines for an orderly proceeding. First, we will strictly observe the 5-minute questioning by each committee member. Such 5 minutes will not include the responses of the resource persons. Should there be interjections from any member, the same must be related to the preceding question. Interjections will also be limited to one follow-up question or clarification. Otherwise, any additional interjection shall be deducted from the time allotted to the original interpellator, who may opt to reclaim his or her time.
But Mr. Chairman, I have, for your information, I have filed a resolution to review. We have to review this law kasi kalukuhan po ito. It directly go against dito sa sinasabi nating conflict of interest, Mr. Chair.
Yes, kindly wind up because you have 10 seconds left.
No, that's all. That's it for me, Mr. Chair. I'll just do another round of questioning in the second round, Mr. Chair.
Thank you very much, Senator Erwin Tulfo.
Kasi dapat silang parusahan sa kasong kriminal, pero dapat din silang parusahan dun sa financial na merong bonds na dapat sumagot dito sa, at sinasabi ninyong tens of billions ang kailangan isole. So doon pa lang, sabi nga nila, you hit them where they hurt, where it hurts.
Excuse me, Senator Kiko,
yes.
kindly wind up. You have 4 seconds left.
Ay, okay. Maraming salamat, Secretary. One last question kay Ginoong Diskaya. Dahil dun sa kanyang testimonya na sabi niya 2022 ang mga proyekto. Bakit 2022 2012 2003 pa? 2003 ba? Kayo gumagawa ng proyekto sa DPWH.
Kindly respond, and after that we'll recognize the next interpellator. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. At saan nyo nilalagay ang pera pag binibigay nyo sa kanila sa Siang or sa office nyo?
Kadalasan po, Your Honor, ano lang po, nasa paper bag lang po.
Paper bag? Kasha. Saang bangko kayo nag-withdraw ng pera?
Your Honor, okay lang po ba? Your Honor, okay lang po ba? I-consult ko lang po yung legal ko.
Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, if I may, Mr. Chair, with the permission of Senator Rizal.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Yes, Senator Estrada.
Taon nino to? Mga kongresista binanggit mo?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Alright.
Kongresista, tinatanong ko din yung DPWH officials na binabayaran nyo sa QC.
Ano ba yung topic? Mga DPWH officials o
Senator
mga
Estrada,
kongresista?
your one question is enough. Thank you.
Yes, Mr. Chair, tinatanong ko yung mga DPWH officials ng Quezon City na inamin ni Mr. Diskaya sa affidavit na binabayaran nila.
Your Honor, pinupupunta po nila kami sa sa office po nila para dalhin.
DPWH office?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Wow. And so
second
paper
na lang.
bag. My last second, Mr.
Okay.
Chair.
No,
Saang bako
your time
kayo?
is up actually.
All right,
But
sir.
you can proceed with your
last question. And one last brief manifestation. Kasi tinanong ko na, saang bangko kayo nag-withdraw ng pera?
Your Honor, ano po? Your Honor, okay lang po ba? Itanongin ko muna yung counsel ko.
Tinanong nyo na po kanina.
In the meantime, you can
yes, my last
reserve
manifestation.
na lang yung manifestation sa second round. No? In fairness to the others who are waiting.
Yes, Mr. Chair. It's for the AMLAC. Hopefully, hindi pa sila aalis before 12 noon. Yun lang po yung one paragraph manifestation ko po. Salamat, Mr. Chair. Manifestation lang po, Mr. Chair, or request po sa Chair na isubmit po ng AMLAC sa komite ang kanilang reports na natanggap on suspicious and covered transactions related to contractors and relevant DPWH officials. That's my request, Mr. Chair. And I think, Mr. Chair, Mr. Diskaya is ready to answer saang bangko sila nag-withdraw.
Yes, you may respond.
Your Honor, I invoke po Bank Secrecy Law.
Mr. Chair, I'm not sure if a person may invoke that law. Alam ko, ang nag-i-invoke primarily yung mga bangko, Mr. Chair. Hindi naman sila depositor yata sa lahat.
Senator J.B. Ercito is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Ipakulong po natin lahat ng 15 contractors. Hindi po natin maayos ito. Hanggat
Senator
hindi
Marcoleta,
naayos ang
kindly
sistema.
wrap up because you have 5 seconds left.
Salamat po, Mr. Chair.
Gusto ko po kayong tulungan, no, as an aside, no, sa inyong tanong kanina na gusto niyo malaman kung sino-sino pa yung napadala na o na-operan. Gusto ko pang ilagay sa record, ako po 18 taong naging senador, never po ako na-operan na magsingit sa National Expenditure Program. Taas na po ako dyan na sasabihin ko, wala po ako natatanggap na offer. Ewan ko kung bakit.
Ako rin po, bakit hindi po ako nagte-text na gano'n? Nagtataka rin po ako eh.
Anyway, Senator Jinggoy Estrada is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Before I proceed, I would like to ask for a consideration from the chairman, from the Senate President, and from all our colleagues that to give us additional minutes since I was
How many minutes are you
I,
asking?
together with Senator Joel Villanueva, was directly accused by a certain Assistant District Engineer Bryce Hernandez.
How many minutes more are you?
10 to 15 minutes more if possible.
I leave it to the members. Is there an objection to the request? 10 to 15 minutes more.
10 minutes.
Kung may objection, total of 10.
Excluding
10
my,
minutes. Kung wala
excluding
po
my opening,
objection,
excluding my
hindi
opening
na po,
statement.
isama nyo na yung opening statement.
15
Baka
minutes na
napakahaba eh. So 10 minutes. You're given 10 minutes
Thank
with the permission of the other members.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Thank you, my colleagues. Magandang umaga po, Mr. Chair.
Kasi dati kasi sa DBM, panahon ni Secretary Jokno, alam ko po yun, 2019, manual po yung ginagawa. Pupunta yung mga staff
Excuse me,
ni...
Senator Marcoleta. Nakaligtaan ko, nakarami na kayo ng tanong.
Oo nga pala.
Back to Senator Sherwin.
Salamat sa inyong pagpapasensya. Salamat,
Chairman,
Senator.
ako gumagalang lang ako sa nakakatanda. So, babalikan ko lang, Mr. Chairman. For fiscal year 2023, almost 25 billion ang na-fund for flood control. And fiscal year 2024, almost 85 billion for flood control. Marami po kasi ibang
sorry,
mga projects.
Senator, can we take this up after Senator Bato or after our lunch break?
Yes,
Kasi
Mr.
medyo
Chairman.
mahaba.
I'll wrap up now, Mr.
All right,
Chairman.
sige.
So, Mr. Chairman, the point I'm trying to make is outside of the program 270 billion, meron pa ho mga, just to give you an example, for 2024, 731 billion of unprogrammed amounts. Sa 2023, 800 billion na pwede pong kuhain at gamitin for flood control. So hindi natin nakikita to because wala hong line item. Parang naging pork barrel ho to ng lump sum that we need to take a look.
Yan din po yung ginamit ng isang congressman sa Oriental Mindoro, unprogrammed, doon bumunot.
Correct. That's why,
Anyway.
Mr. Chairman, as a policy nga, I wanted to propose to our colleagues na tanggalin na huin ang program kasi nagiging kitty lang o nagiging lump sum. At ginagamit lang ho to in projects na hindi naman nabe-vet ng mabuti.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr.
Anyway,
Chairman.
you're the chairman of the Branch Committee. You can take that up during the in plenary or even during the committee hearing. Senator Bato de la Rosa is
Mr. Chairman,
recognized.
just on this point, with the indulgence of Senator Bato, may the committee collect or get the list of the flood control in the unprogrammed funds from 2022 to 2025. Do we have that list, Mr. Chairman?
Submitted to the committee,
Yeah,
Mr.
It's
Chairman.
already, so we have that list already. Thank you.
Senator de la Rosa. After Senator de la Rosa, we'll go on break. Ano?
Mr. Chair,
We'll come back at 1:30 na para ano.
I would like
After-
to beg the indulgence of the chairman kung pwede para tuloy-tuloy yung line of thought, Mr. Chair. Pwede ba kami mag-swap ni Senator Villanueva? After lunch na lang ako, siya muna ang ngayon. Dahil
Hindi, kaya kita
tuloy-tuloy.
pagbibigay, kakasal yung anak mo eh. Hindi counted si Senate. Mamaya tayo after lunch.
Sige.
Kung i-give up mo, mag-lunch break tayo. Ikaw lang pagbibigyan ko kasi sabi kakasal yung anak mo eh.
To be fair with Senator Villanueva, mag-lunch muna tayo, Mr. Chair.
Kaya nga.
Nakakaya
So,
naman sa kanya. Gusto siya pagbigyan dahil tuloy-tuloy.
hearing is
tuloy-tuloy ito.
suspended until 1:30 in the afternoon.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Anong alam mo dito?
Your Honor, sa tulad po sinabi ko, pag lumalabas po sa GAA, Yun lang po ang pinabibid namin, Your Honor. I don't have any knowledge about the insertions and so on and so forth po.
So hindi mo alam kung ito ay program or unprogram funds
Yes,
ang
Your Honor.
ini-implement ninyo.
Mr. Chair,
With the
Pa-
permission
paano?
of Senator De La
Yes, sir.
with the permission of Senator Bato, mabilis lang po, ano? Itong unprogrammed, lumobo ng katakot-takot. Alam natin yan. At noong 2021, nasa 176 billion. Noong 2022, naging 251. Pero kasama dyan yung COVID procurement ng vaccines. Kasama rin yan yung mga health workers incentives. Noong 2023, from 251, naging 807. Baka yung ating mga hinahanap na mga ghost project, ghost ab initio. Sa umpisa pa lamang, ghost na sila kasi nasa listahan ng unprogrammed na ang tanging nakasabi lamang, government infrastructure projects. Noong 2023, naging 807.16 billion. Walang listahan. Walang nakakaalam. Ang magic nasa DBM po. 2024, naging 731.45.
Mr. Chair, can I ask Senator Aimee from the start, yung sabi mo from COVID time, magkano?
Yes. Bago mag-COVID 2021, 176.
176.
Oh, tapos nung 2022 nandiyan no, yung 2022 naging 251. Kasama na diyan yung mga bakuna, yung incentive sa mga health workers. Nung 2023, bakit naging 807?
Nagsagutan na kayong dalawa.
Yun.
One follow-up question is allowed.
Sorry. Yun lang, idadagdag ko na baka yung mga hinahanap nating ghost project, wala nga sa listahan ng public works, ang DBM naman ang dapat managot.
Yan nga,
Back to Senator De La Rosa, and you have 2 seconds.
2 seconds. Mr. Chair, yun lang sa akin na
Ito po, sir. Ito pong time na to, nung papicturean po sa akin ni Boss Henry yung cellphone po niya kasi disappearing message po. That time po, ang sabi po ni Boss Henry, nagre-request daw po si Senator Joel ng pondo po. Ng almost parang ang pagkakabanggit ni Boss Henry is 1.5 billion. Subalit doon sa parang pumasok sa conversation po na napicturean, isang kayang ialat lang po sa kanya ni Secretary Bonoan is 600 million. Totoo naman
I'm
po.
sorry, Mr. Chairman. There's nothing there. Kahit na picture lang yung pinicture mo, there's nothing there that states that. Is this a new allegation that you're talking about?
Actually, papaliwanag ko lang muna po, sir. Ang kaya lang po ni Secretary Bonoan that time is 600 million na ibigay. Kaya sa conversation po,
This was in October 2022.
Yes po.
Okay.
Nung nagre-request nung October 22.
Okay, Mr. Chairman, can I finish on that? Kasi lumalayo na po siya.
Allow the resource person to finish the narration before
Okay.
we interject. Okay.
Yung katulad nga po ng sinabi ni D.E. Henry noon, kung nagpa-follow up sa St. Joel, totoo naman po na ang nire-request niya is mga multipurpose building. Pero that time na hindi kayang ibigay yung amount na hinihingi ni Senator Joel, ang kaya lang ni Secretary Manny Bonoan po noong time na yun is 600. So, hindi maaabot yung target na almost 1 billion na mahigit. Naisipan po ni D.E. Henry na i-convert sa flood control yung 600 million.